Hey everybody, this is Doug and we're doing a video of his 1964 Shasta today. We are at a Halloween rally, so you're going to see Halloween decorations and he's going to tell us all about his camper. So the question I ask first, well, let's ask about the outfit. Tell us about the outfit.
Niece got married at a Renaissance fair 3 weeks ago, and the wife and I dressed up and had to fit the part. So,
and it works for a Halloween rally.
It works out for a Halloween rally also. Otherwise, we would be in 50s garb for the car and the trailer.
Oh yes, that's the car. So what is the car? Tell me about that.
64 Buick Electra 225.
All right, and that's what they tow it with.
That's what we tow it with.
All right, so we're gonna go inside and show you here. He has lots of accessories. So as I show the accessories here, I'm sorry about the lighting, guys. The sun is shining bright. I want to ask you, I always ask, what condition was the camper in when you got it?
It was in pretty good shape. A friend of mine who was, his name is Brownie, and he was a metal polisher and chrome plater. And so he did all the metal work, all the polishing on all the pieces. And he did about 90% of the woodwork in here.
So that was a good friend to have at that time, wasn't it?
Yes.
Yeah. Is this original here?
I'm not sure. I think he recovered it.
Okay.
I didn't do that. I think he did.
All right.
And then he put all the
and the upholstery looks new.
Yes.
Yeah. Have you been on the Route 66 tour?
No, I have not with the trailer. I used to live in Huntington Beach, California, between there and Chicago, and I've driven a couple of antique cars back and forth 7 times on 66.
So you have been there, just not with this trailer.
Correct.
Tell me about this refrigerator. What is the print on it?
Refrigerator is a new replacement. It was a takeout from a place in Minnesota. Michigan, and I had to make it fit in here. Unfortunately, they come without a face, so I've got a couple of Lexan pieces that I've made to fit that, and we're gonna pinstripe one and then maybe do a mural on the second one, so we can change the interchange of faces. So
I thought that was a design.
No, this is just insulation.
Oh, okay. I thought that was a design on there.
This is the only thing that looks bad in here.
Okay. And that old heater, you said it still works.
Yes.
It's a Kenmore. And we needed it this weekend. It's been cold. What's your favorite part of this camper? Favorite thing about it?
I don't know. It's comfortable. It rides nice. It tows nice. We have replaced the axle and the brakes and the suspension on it, so everything's been updated within the last 3 years.
Do you know how much it weighs?
I have never weighed it.
Okay. And you had told me that this pulls out over here, and that's where you sleep.
That's correct.
You don't have to slide it out, but so that's like a gaucho.
Yeah. It's got a lip on here.
Okay.
And that just pulls up to here, and everything drops in place. And then we use that mattress, or that cushion. Right. And then we actually roll out another memory foam roll on top of it
to make it
a little
comfy.
Extra cushy.
Yeah.
And we usually sleep back there.
Jalapeno cornbread. Okay.
It's a little different.
That is interesting. All right. So you've got the 50s diner thing going on.
Yep.
Yeah.
And this is the original stove and oven for it, and they do work.
Yeah, you don't see ovens in too many. And that's a holiday oven. All right. Well, thank you for showing me. And everybody give it a thumbs up if you haven't already. I'm going to include some still shots here so that you can see it. Instead of just looking at the accessories, you can actually see the floor plan of the camper. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye, everybody.